Welcome to this video on finding the area of a triangle. Let's explore how to calculate it together. First, what is area? It is the amount of space covered inside a flat shape. Let's look at some everyday examples, like the area of a book, laptop, or pad. Now let's take a look at the parts of a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. The 2 most important parts needed to find the area of a triangle are its base and height. Note that the height must be perpendicular to the base. The formula to calculate the area of a triangle is area equals 1/2 times the base times the height. In short, A equals 1/2 times B times H. Let's look at our first example. Find the area of a triangle with a base of 8 centimeters and a height of 6 centimeters. Using our formula, A equals 1/2 times B times H. From the question, we know the base is 8 centimeters and the height is 6 centimeters. Now we substitute these values into the formula. A equals 1/2 times 8 times 6. This gives us A equals 1/2 times 48. Finally, calculating 1/2 of 48 gives us an area of 24 square centimeters. Let's try a second example. Find the area of the triangle shown with a base of 12 centimeters and a height of 9 centimeters. Using the formula A equals 1/2 times B times H, we substitute our values. A equals 1/2 times 12 times 9. This simplifies to A equals 1/2 times 108. Calculating 1/2 of 108 gives us an area of 54 square centimeters. Sometimes we need to find a missing base or height. Here is our first example. Find the base of a triangle if the area is 30 square centimeters and the height is 5 centimeters. Starting from the formula A equals 1/2 times B times H, we can rearrange it to solve for the base. B equals 2 times A divided by H. Now we substitute our known values. B equals 2 times 30 divided by 5. This simplifies to B equals 60 divided by 5. Finally, 60 divided by 5 equals 12. So the base of the triangle is 12 centimeters. Now let's look at another example of finding a missing value. In this case, we need to find the height of a triangle when we know the area is 40 square centimeters and the base is 10 centimeters. We start with our standard formula. Area equals 1/2 times base times height. To solve for the height, we rearrange the formula to get height equals 2 times the area divided by the base. Substituting our values, we get height equals 2 times 40 divided by 10. This simplifies to 80 divided by 10. Finally, 80 divided by 10 gives us a height of 8 centimeters. You've now seen how to find areas and missing dimensions. Why not test yourself with these practice problems on the screen? Keep practicing your math skills.